Kumar, physics faculty. I taught physics in Fiji in Akash Institute for 14 years. After completing my BTech in 2008 in electronics and communication, I joined Fiji and taught physics to engineering students, CBSE students up to 2011 at Fiji East Delhi Center, South Delhi Center and Dharbad Center. After that, 2011-2013, I worked in Akash Institute at Bhubaneswar Center and Janakpuri Delhi Center. I taught there to medical students. After that, 2013 to 2021, I taught engineering student at Fiji, Kalusarai, South Delhi Center. After that, 2021 to 2022, I taught physics to medical students. Okay, so I have experience of teaching to medical students and engineering students and CBS students, okay, all together. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to my channel. If we have ranked between 50,000 to 9 lakh in NIT, in IIT mains, you have a very good chance to get a very good NIT and very good branch also. Okay, so actually you have to fill so many options in Josaa counseling. For that one, you should have information about the last year, what happened last year in the options filling. Okay, how options were available, how options were filled. So here we are going to discuss all the options. Okay, before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get my video. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Okay, in here we are going to see HS quota, basically quota. So that is HS and OS. Basically HS means home state and OS will come, OS will be other state. Okay, for example, so I am from Delhi, means I am a student of Delhi and I am opting NIT Delhi. So Delhi, I can use home state quota. Okay, if I am opting NIT in UP, Uttar Pradesh, so I can use other state OS quota. Okay, that will be available in OS quota, other state quota only. Okay, so this next one is seat type. Open means so many categories are there, like general category, EWS, OBC and SC ST categories. These are all categories. Okay, in each category further two different parts are there, like gender neutral and female only. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Here you can see, here I am going to start with the NIT Jalandhar. Okay, so in NIT Jalandhar, see whatever the options available, those options in between 50,000 to 9 lakh, those all options were closed in box. Okay, so you can see the boxes and you can get the options. NIT Jalandhar, civil engineering available. Okay, in NIT Jalandhar, again see other branches. What are the other branches available? Industrial and production engineering. Industrial and production engineering available in NIT Jalandhar. NIT Jalandhar, instrumentation. Okay, instrumentation and control were available. Mechanical engineering were available. Textile engineering were available. Okay, in NIT Jalandhar, textile engineering were available. After that, NIT Jaipur. Let's see what option were available in NIT Jaipur last year. Okay, and so according to that one, you can have the chance according to that one. So NIT Jaipur, okay, metallurgical and material engineering were available last year. Okay, so here you can see NIT Bhopal, what options were available last year. You can see here NIT Bhopal. These were the option. NIT Bhopal, material science and metallurgical engineering, metallurgical science and material science and metallurgical engineering. Okay, after that NIT Bhopal. Okay, these were the options available last year. Now this time also you can have the options according to that one, because the okay the cutoff will be nearby that one. Okay, 2000 variation may be possible. So NIT Allahabad, no options available in 50,000 to 9 lakh rank, in because NIT Allahabad is one of the topmost, but okay, so not available in that one. So let's move to the another NIT Agartala. So many options were available. Okay, so so many options. Okay, you can have from here. NIT Agartala, chemical engineering, okay, and chemical engineering, chemistry were available. Chemistry, civil engineering, NIT Agartala, computational mathematics, NIT Agartala, computer science and electrical engineering, NIT Agartala, computer science also available. Electronics and communication, ECE available. Electronics and instrumentation, E&I also called in short form. Agartala, engineering physics were available this time also, you can have. Okay, so NIT Agartala, so many options were available. What are the, okay, I have uh, placed in box whatever the options were available last year. All those options were kept in a box here. Physics, NIT Agartala physics, 5-year courses. Okay, so production engineering, NIT Agartala production engineering. Okay, after that NIT Calicut, let's see, NIT Calicut is one of the topmost. Civil engineering were available. Okay, you can opt for civil engineering. NIT Calicut, electronics and communication in EWS, female only. Okay, so NIT Calicut, you can opt. NIT Calicut, material science and engineering were available. Okay, material science and engineering, and again in mechanical engineering available. Production engineering available. Production engineering was available last year. Production bio, okay, NIT Durgapur, water, NIT Durgapur, this chemistry was available last year. Chemistry was available in 2021. This is the data of 2021. And NIT, you can see metallurgical and materials engineering. Okay, civil engineering, NIT Goa civil engineering, NIT Goa electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, electrical and electronics engineering. NIT Goa mechanical engineering, NIT Goa again. NIT Hamirpur civil engineering available. NIT Hamirpur, Hamirpur civil engineering was available last year. And electrical engineering was available. Electrical engineering and electrical engineering, electronics and communication also available. ECE also called. NIT okay, after that NIT Hamirpur electronics and communication was available last year. Okay, this is engineering physics was available. Engineering physics, NIT Hamirpur engineering physics was available. After that NIT Hamirpur material science and engineering was available. NIT Hamirpur mechanical engineering was available. Okay, after that NIT Suratkal, this is one of the topmost NITs. Okay, of which comes within top 5 in NITs. NIT Suratkal, let's see what options available. Okay, so NIT Meghalaya, NIT Suratkal, there is no option, but there was no option last year. NIT Meghalaya, so many options available. Meghalaya and triple electronics and communication, electrical and electronics also available. Mechanical engineering was available. Okay, Nagaland, NIT Nagaland available. Electronics and instrumentation available. Mechanical engineering. Okay, so these were the options available. Civil engineering was NIT. Next one is NIT Patna. NIT Patna, civil engineering was available. Okay, civil engineering was available in NIT Patna last year. NIT Patna mechanical engineering was available. Civil engineering was okay. Now NIT Puducherry, that means NIT Pondicherry, NIT Puducherry, electronics, electrical and electronics engineering was available. Electrical and electronics engineering was available. Okay, electronics and communication. Okay, after that NIT Pondicherry mechanical engineering, that is NIT Puducherry, and mechanical engineering was available. Biomedical, okay, Raipur, NIT Raipur biomedical engineering. Okay, NIT Raipur biomedical chemical engineering, NIT Raipur civil engineering available. This is the data of 2021, and you can expect this year also. Mechanical engineering Raipur, NIT Raipur mechanical engineering, NIT Raipur, okay, NIT Raipur again mining engineering, NIT Raipur civil engineering, okay, NIT Raipur civil engineering again, NIT Raipur Sikkim computer science, NIT Sikkim computer science available, electrical engineering available, electrical and electronics engineering available, okay, mechanical engineering available, NIT Sikkim, NIT Arunachal Pradesh mechanical engineering available, civil engineering available, okay, so NIT Arunachal Pradesh mechanical engineering was available, computer science available, NIT Arunachal Pradesh electrical engineering available, NIT Arunachal Pradesh and mechanical engineering was available, civil engineering was available, civil engineering was available, NIT Jamshedpur civil engineering was available, okay, civil engineering NIT Jamshedpur civil engineering was available, NIT Jamshedpur is also one of the topmost. NIT Jamshedpur metallurgical and material engineering, metallurgical engineering, MME, that is also called MME, and it is production and industrial engineering. Okay, production and industrial engineering was available. And NIT Kurukshetra, let's see what are the options available in the Kurukshetra. Production and industrial engineering was available. Civil engineering, NIT Manipur, civil engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, okay. So mechanical engineering, NIT Manipur, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, okay, NIT Mizoram, computer science available. Last year it was available. Electrical and electronics engineering, electrical and communication engineering available. Mechanical engineering it was available. Last biomedical, NIT Rourkela, now NIT Rourkela biotechnology, NIT Rourkela ceramic engineering, NIT Rourkela. What are the options? Rourkela chemistry available, NIT Rourkela chemistry was available, okay, NIT Rourkela food processing engineering available, NIT Rourkela, okay, life science was available, NIT Rourkela, okay, NIT Rourkela's life science was available, okay, you can again Rourkela mining engineering was available, and NIT Rourkela physics was available, civil engineering was available, NIT Silchar civil engineering, NIT Silchar electrical engineering was available, NIT Silchar electronics and instrumentation, E&I is in short form, NIT Silchar mechanical engineering was available, chemical engineering available, civil engineering available, NIT Srinagar, okay, so many branches are available, electrical engineering, okay, so many branches were available, computer science also available, and computer science also available, that is very good, okay, this is NIT Srinagar, so many options you can have. NIT Srinagar options are available, electronics and communication in NIT Srinagar, okay, NIT Srinagar options in NIT Srinagar's information technology, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, okay, and that NIT is Tiruchirappalli, that is the topmost NIT, civil engineering available in EWS quota. Okay, NIT Tirchi available civil. Okay, so let's see. NIT Tirchi is the first rank in. Okay, it have again here it's a production engineering available. Okay, Uttarakhand, NIT Uttarakhand civil engineering available. With NIT Uttarakhand civil engineering. Okay, and electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, NIT Uttarakhand. Okay, mechanical engineering, NIT Warangal, chemical, chemistry, NIT Warangal chemistry. Okay, or NIT Warangal chemistry. Again, you see NIT Warangal. After that, physics available. NIT Surat, NIT Surat chemistry available. NIT Surat civil engineering available. Okay, NIT Surat. This is about let's see other branches. Mathematics 5-year course in NIT Surat available. Okay, after that NIT Surat physics available. This is the last year data, 2021 data, and you can expect almost same scenario this year also. So you can decide your options accordingly. NIT Nagpur metallurgical and material engineering, that is MME branch available for the given. Okay, mining engineering was available. NIT Andhra Pradesh civil engineering available. NIT Andhra Pradesh civil engineering was available, and mechanical engineering was available. NIT Andhra Pradesh material and metallurgical engineering, MME available. Okay, and after that, here civil engineering, Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology, Shivpur here. Yes. So what are the available branches? All here I have closing the box so that you can have better idea. In Shivpur, other branch in metallurgical. Okay, and other branch metallurgy and material science. Okay, and another is Shivpur mining engineering. Mining engineering was available. So these are the options available. Okay, and please decide your options accordingly, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that we can get better video. Thank you.